Good evening, I'm Erin Kiernan.
I'm Janae Town. Governor Reynolds says the overturning of Roe v. Wade should also mean the overturning of an injunction blocking Iowa's fetal heartbeat law.
Governor Reynolds signed the law in 2018, but it's been on hold ever since the following year. WHO 13 Zach Fisher joins us. Zach, the injunction blocking the law is what's in question tonight.
Yeah, that's right, Erin. Now, the permanent injunction was in question this evening, as you mentioned, with the Governor's Council arguing that because of changes in state and federal law, the injunction needs to be lifted. Now, the ACLU of Iowa argues that the injunction is permanent and the state is not allowed to seek any further action with this specific case. So if you remember back to June of this year, the Iowa Supreme Court reversed their decision, saying that abortion was not a constitutional right.
As a result, my clients are here today asking this court to dissolve the injunction entered against them in 2019, because now that there is no fundamental right to an abortion in the state of Iowa's Constitution or the U.S. Constitution.
Judge Huppert's final order in 2019 permanently prohibiting the state from enforcing this law against Iowans closed this case, and the state's efforts to revive it.
So just to kind of break down the ACLU stance again, is that the legislature can pass another similar law and there can be more legal action with that specific bill, but this permanent injunction blocks any action with the specific fetal heartbeat bill, and we await the decision from the Polk County judge. Aaron.
All right, thanks for the update, Zach.